Hello, in this video I gathered the most interesting news in the crypto world in the last 24 hours. CertiK, 2023 will be a new start for cryptocurrency fraudsters. Blockchain security-focused analytics company CertiK reported that the level of fraud and hacks in the cryptocurrency industry will not decrease in the new year. Moreover, according to CertiK experts, 2023 will be a new year for malicious users as fraud schemes and methods are perfected and the market is in a vulnerable position. The community may also face new exploits in firewalls, as it did in 2022, when hackers stole about $1.4 billion from 6 bridges alone. That trend will continue in 2023, CertiK believes. Experts said they plan to monitor new phishing attack methods that could become popular this year. Recall that in 2022 hackers have become popular with hacking channels in Discord. Earlier, the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, stated that cryptocurrency fraudsters become most active during the holidays, when people feel especially lonely. WSJ, Alameda and FTX crisis started years before the bankruptcy of the exchange. The Wall Street Journal, citing sources familiar with the situation, reported that the collapse of Alameda Research, the company of the former CEO of the FTX exchange, began long before the site went bankrupt. Alameda's first big deal was an arbitrage game in Japan, where Bitcoin was sold at a higher price. The company managed to make a profit of $10 million to $30 million on it. Alameda tried to convince everyone that it was making a huge income from its trading activities, but in reality the company suffered big losses because of its trading algorithm, which incorrectly predicted the price movement of digital currencies. In 2018, the company lost more than half of its assets. Despite this, Sam Bankman-Fried actively raised funds for Alameda from lenders and investors, promising a 20% return to save the firm. After that, FTX was created, and Alameda became its main market maker and was used to stimulate the growth of the exchange. Sometimes Alameda played the role of the losing side in deals to attract clients to FTX. Through Alameda, the crypto exchange also had access to companies of interest. Earlier, a group of FTX customers asked a US bankruptcy court to keep their names secret because disclosure of the information could threaten them with identity theft and pose a threat. Circle's top manager, last year was like an ice age, not a cryptozyme. Circle's head of strategic development Dante Despart shared his opinion on developments in the cryptocurrency sector over the past year and the industry's prospects in 2023. In his publication on the World Economic Forum, WEF, website, Dante Despart noted the growing use of cryptocurrencies in the financial services sector. According to the expert, the ongoing bearish trend in the cryptocurrency market, the bankruptcy of several cryptocurrency lenders and the collapse of the FTX exchange can later be a boon for the industry, as these negative events will lay the foundation for more responsible and accessible investments. The top Circle executive also added that digital assets and blockchain will continue to be indispensable tools of the economy, despite the horrific events in 2022, which indicate not a cryptozyme, but a whole ice age for the industry. Nevertheless, despite these setbacks, many large banks and financial institutions will continue to incorporate cryptocurrencies into their product lines, Despart believes. Recall that in February Circle joined the Crypto Market Integrity Coalition, CMIC, an alliance created to increase government confidence in the cryptocurrency industry. At the time, Despart said it would set standards that would regulate cryptocurrencies and protect the interests of users. Jim Cramer predicted another weak year for crypto. According to CNBC columnist and Mad Money host Jim Cramer, the community should not expect major takeoffs in crypto projects in 2023, as depressed sentiment will prevail in the industry. Jim Cramer shared with his Twitter followers his assumption that the skepticism reigning in the crypto community will not allow digital assets to show any meaningful results in 2023. Cramer believes that recent events have had a significant impact on investor preferences and their general interest in crypto assets. Earlier, crypto asset monitoring service PricePrediction used artificial intelligence to predict Bitcoin rates for early 2023. According to the algorithm's version, Bitcoin will be trading at $15,532 a month from now. That's about 7% below the current value of BTC. In general, the rate of the first cryptocurrency is expected to decline during January. Recall that BTC ended 2022 on a minor note. The coin lost more than 70% of its 2021 high. Crypto market experts mostly agree with Cramer's forward-looking assessment. CoinLedger director David. Australia and Poland overtake El Salvador in the number of installed cryptomats. El Salvador has lost its position as the fourth largest country in the number of cryptomats, behind Australia and Poland, according to the CoinATM Radar Crypto Network Observer. As part of a campaign to Bitcoinize El Salvador's economy, the country's government installed 212 cryptomats. Initially, this placed El Salvador in the top 3, after the United States and Canada. However, during 2022, Spain joined the race and managed to take the third place in the ranking with 273 cryptomats. Then Australia, which deployed 99 cryptomats in the shortest possible time and displaced El Salvador from the fourth position. The total number of devices in Australia reached 225 units. Poland did not lag behind the leaders. By early 2023, 222 cryptomats had been installed in the country. Thus, El Salvador went down from the third position to the sixth in about a year. Earlier, crypto pre-sales provided statistics on cryptocurrencies installed around the world. Experts think that this year the number of new devices will be less than last year because of the protracted crisis in the market. SEC of the Philippines warns against investing in cryptocurrency project TetherPay. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, of the Philippines has warned the public against investing in the cryptocurrency project TetherPay, which is not registered with the regulatory authorities. According to the SEC publication, TetherPay scheme organizer Rendon Duran illegally raised capital by promising investors returns of up to 210% in 70 days or 3% per day of their investment. Investors were guaranteed the ability to withdraw their funds at any time. Duran claimed that TetherPay was considered the most stable USDT smart contract and offered users to earn even more money through referrals. The regulator warned that TetherPay also operates under the names Tether.pay.com, TetherPay Limited and TetherPay Limited. However, all of these organizations are not registered with the SEC, which violates securities laws. Therefore, the agency urged local and foreign citizens to stop any investment in TetherPay so as not to risk losing money. The regulator also warned the promoters of the scheme that they could face up to 21 years in prison and a fine of up to 5 million Philippine pesos, about $89,698, for inviting people to invest in illegal investment contracts. Over the past 12 months, the Philippine SEC has tightened. If you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. This will motivate me to make each video better and better. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.